My name is Yu. It's very hot, isn't it? Japan is experiencing an extremely hot day. Today, we would like to introduce a new product from CoolSmile.
World's first planar water cooling wear.
This is CoolArmorA1.
Less unevenness of equipment.
How about this is the new CoolSmile A1. CoolArmor is the world's first water cooling wear. It has a structure that allows water to flow thinly through the fabric, circulates water around your body at a temperature of approximately 15 degrees Celsius, providing powerful cooling. Because the cooling area is large, it cools down very well. What do you think of the silhouette? It's slim and doesn't feel any different than conventional products. CoolArmor is basically the underwear you wear underneath. You can also wear a thin inner layer inside.
Bottle exchange super fast.
CoolArmor A1. Bottle exchange super fast. Water cooling wear always requires bottle replacement. I'll try changing the bottle. First, turn off the switch. Press the left side a little, and the bottle will come out. The bottle will come out like this. When you pull it out, you'll be surprised. I was able to take out the bottle without taking off my clothes. This is magic. The secret is our uniquely developed crescent-shaped bottle that allows for high-speed exchange. Let's replace the bottle. First, take out the tube and attach it to this tube stopper. This allows you to stop water in this way. Close the bottle and replace it with a new bottle. Load a new bottle on your clothes. Then, insert the tube into the bottle mouth and insert the cap. Then, all you have to do is push the bottle. The bottle exchange is now complete. Then just switch on. The water will now circulate. Also, because of this structure, it also provides support for your lower back. Furthermore, due to its structure that fits closely to the body, even though the bottle is large, it is designed to feel light. It's a special bottle that has 3 functions. You can easily change the bottle during bathroom breaks, etc. You can use it during your free time at work. No hassle.
Two-way bottle format.
A one can use 2 different bottles. Two-way bottle format. This allows you to use it even if you do not have a dedicated A1 bottle. 2-liter bottle made in Japan. 1L bottles can also be used. It's useful in an emergency.
For beverages, drink pocket.
A one has a pocket where you can store drinks. In this way, you can take out the bottle and drink it. Also compatible with hydration bottles. If you use this commercially available bottle, in this state, you will be able to drink it quickly. It is also possible to store mobile phones, etc.
Energy-saving design.
The A1 is an energy-saving design that runs well on a small battery. You can use the USB battery you already have. This small battery will last you a whole day. It is USB-A type.
Lightweight design.
A one is now much lighter. The dry weight is about 700 g. When you add water, it weighs about 1 kilogram. If you use a special bottle, add an additional 3 kilograms. The total equipment weight is 4 kilograms. The reason this doesn't feel too heavy is thanks to the bottle I mentioned. The weight of this bottle is placed near the hip bone, and it feels light because it is in close contact with the body. That's strange. By the way, the leather suit worn by riders weighs approximately 5 kilograms. A full harness used at construction sites weighs approximately 3 kilograms.
Carry a replacement bottle.
With a cooler backpack like this, You can easily carry your bottle with you.
The back is slim so you can carry it on your back.
When you arrive at the scene, leave it at a rest area. Hold 3 500 milliliters PET bottles and 3 A1 bottles. If there is a frozen stocker nearby, you can use it directly.
CoolArmorA1 usage scenarios: motorcycle touring, mountain climbing, fishing, golf, home garden, car wash, dog walking, used for hobbies such as at the work site, construction, security, factory, warehouse, welding, forestry and painting industry. It is also used for other purposes.
Anyway, there are many hot spots. CoolSmile was founded in 2011 and has a long track record. Introduced to many media, CoolArmor is used in a variety of hot workplaces. Also compatible with full harness. Intense action possible. The Japanese yen price is scheduled to be 19,800 yen, but the US price has not been determined. For more information, please see the overview section and official website. Don't miss this opportunity to purchase CoolSmile's CoolArmor series. I'm sure it will relieve you from the heat.
https://coolsmile.osaka